subject tips?
Today we are going to be playing Taco Cat Goat Cheese Pizza.
Upside down. Taco.
You can see it upside down too, see?
Okay. So how do you play that?
So, do you see these Taco Cat Goat Cheese Pizza? And there will be gorilla, narwhal, and this beaver thing.
Okay.
But we won't need that. So for example, so we just keep on repeating. So Taco Cat Goat Cheese Pizza in that order. We just keep placing cards of ours.
Okay.
So for example, I say taco, and that's a taco on that card. And whoever is the first one to press it, whoever's the last one to press it will get that card.
Okay, so we'll show you the card.
Okay, let's show them the card. Get out. Yeah. We got the cards. There's some instructions which we don't need. Oh, so this is a groundhog. Over here we have the groundhog. This is actually a groundhog, it's not a beaver. And then we have our cat, a piece of cheese, triangle of cheese, pizza, cheese, a goat, a gorilla, some pizza, some cheese pizza. There's some different pizzas in here. A taco. I know there's a different
Cheese.
And then
Taco.
placing. So we have a few narwhals and then a
Pizza.
cheese,
Groundhog. Goat.
So Daddy, should we
Cut.
use all the cards or maybe just a few?
How about it's up to now? What do you like?
Let's use just a few of them. These are a lot. Oh, look at this cheese. It has red spots.
Oh. Okay.
Look at all these.
So are we going to use the groundhog and the gorilla or no more?
You don't need them, but we have to flip them over so we don't know what card we're
So
getting.
there's still groundhog here, so we have to take it out.
No, we don't take it out.
Ah,
No, we don't take it out. It's just part of the game.
no, part of it.
Yeah, but you don't have to say gorilla. It's just Taco Cat Goat Cheese Pizza in that order. And then when you finish that order without any slamming, you repeat. But also, like when I say pizza, pizza, and you put your hand there, or you slam it, you get that card, and then you have to start all the way back from taco.
So are we going to use all these cards? Because it's just the two of us.
Yeah, we're gonna use all those cards. You can use this so you can remember Taco Cat Goat Cheese Pizza, or you can just play without it. We are going to play without it. There, this is the pile.
Okay, so we're going to use this one.
Yep, shuffle, shuffle, shuffle.
So how many cards for each person?
How many cards are there?
Okay, I don't know.
It
Should
has
we
to
count?
be equal.
It has to be equal.
Yes.
Okay, this is good.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
Let's just do 12.
Okay, 12 is
Okay.
so here we are going to use 12 cards. We do not flip them all over. Okay, so we flip it like this. Okay, I think we saw a taco there. Taco,
Cut.
goat.
So that's it. That's mine. So I'll put it here in the back.
Yes.
Okay, so I have to do this so that the one who wins is the one who finishes all these cards.
Or her.
Or her, okay?
Taco, that's yours.
That's fast.
Taco, that's yours.
It's all taco. Okay.
Taco,
Cut.
goat,
Cheese.
pizza.
Taco. Taco. So that's yours. So my turn.
Yeah.
Taco.
Hey, you don't look at it and then you put it there.
No, I was just reading because I don't know. Cat.
Goat.
Wow. I'm collecting
Taco.
many cards. Cat.
Goat.
Cheese.
Pizza.
Taco.
Cat.
Goat.
Cheese.
Pizza.
Taco.
Cat.
Goat.
Oh no.
Taco. I mean,
So you win. So okay. So no matter what picture is there, for example, you get a goat, but the formation of the word is taco, cat, goat,
cheese,
pizza.
pizza.
You just keep on repeating it until the picture represent
Yeah.
the
Represent.
word you said.
Yes. Like example. Here's the example. Taco. Taco.
Okay, so it's taco, then you have to taco, then you have to do this. Then if you do this, then it goes to your opponent.
Yeah.
Okay.
If even though yours also on top and you stamp the table very hard, that turns your hand red a little.
Very hard.
Like
Huh?
for a few rounds.
For a few rounds, okay. So
Like
this is
last
how you
time.
play taco, goat, taco, cat, goat,
Oh, cheese,
cheese,
pizza.
Wow, is this a nice game?
Yes. Wanna play?
Where did you get this game?
From Ako.
From Apple?
Ako Sheila.
Okay. For
Friends
actually,
and
you can play more than 2 players, right?
Yeah.
So
Actually, I think you can.
you can, no? Or you can play from you can play from 3 to 8 persons.
3 to 8 people.
Yeah, people. Okay. Nice game.